What is the difference between concrete lifting with polyurethane foam versus mud jacking? Both systems entail coring through the concrete slab to be able to install a material underneath the slab and above that sub base to fill the void and ultimately raise that slab back up into place. So with polyurethane foam, you're looking at a 5/8 inch size hole, no bigger than the size of a dime. Mud jacking, you could see 2-inch size holes, but ultimately about the size of a pop can. When it comes to the material for both, polyurethane foam, it's a lot more lightweight. Water's not going to wash it away underneath. It doesn't break down as quickly over time and doesn't shrink. Mud jacking material, because of its weight, because of its properties, it can turn back into a powdery type of material. And if you have a lot of water present in the area, it can wash that right away. When it comes to weight as well, like I said, with the foam being 100 times lighter than mud, it is less of a burden on the soils below it. When you have a heavy material like mud, it is squeezing and compressing that ground again over time, and then you can ultimately be left quicker with your slab settled again at the same time as you went to jack it back up.